that though. I'm surprised your bumper doesn't fit.
What's going on, everybody? Yes, as you can see from the thumbnail, you clicked on the broken prelude, and it's over there, and this side of the frame. Okay, so the lower ball joints took a shit when I was driving, and I think it was because when I was removing the transmission, I might have loosened the lower ball joint on the driver's side, and then I forgot to tighten it. But shit, I guess that's what happens when you fucking don't do your due diligence. But so that happened. Let me just show you guys. Yeah, so pretty much it took a shit on its own, or I made it take a shit. So then now I have to replace it. I ordered 2 upper ball joints and 2 lower ball joints. Also got a fender. I went on Facebook Marketplace. Sadly, it's not in white, but it looks pretty clean, except for that. But you know, I guess we'll have to make do with what we got. So I got this black fender, and we're gonna try to put it on. But before we put it on, I have to remove all the stuff first. Since it's out on the street, my plan is to just do the driver's side first, get the car on the driveway because the tow guy couldn't do it, or he said it was too risky. And then we're gonna do that, and then you know, see what's up. All right, so as you can see, I'm sweaty because it's kind of hot, but it's actually surprisingly not that hot right now. It's not that hot where I'm able to be in the sun and work on the car. Some people may say it's hot, but you know, it's not that bad. So I did take off the knuckle and then the upper control arm. I'm gonna push those ball joints out very soon. Oh, and this is the axle. That's, oh fuck, I have to drain the oil to take off, or I have to drain the tranny oil to take off the other piece. The plan is to do one side, bring the car up, and then do the other side on the driveway. I don't know, guys. I might just do both. I'm pressing the ball joints, first time pressing on the ball joints, you know, so join me. Let's try to figure out. As you can tell, the lighting is different. That's because it's the next day. I gave up yesterday because I couldn't get the retainer clip to get on. I eventually did it today. But on the good news, both upper and lower are finally in. Yeah, so I'm gonna take off the passenger side as well and just do that because I don't want to drain the transmission fluid, bring back up the car, put back transmission fluid to drive the car, then drain it again to take off the axle, to re-drain it, or to drain it to fill it up again. Yeah, that's kind of annoying. Guys, I just realized something that I didn't think about, and I'm dumb about thinking about it right now. So I don't have to take off the axles. I thought that if I was gonna take off the axles, I had to take off the oil, or the transmission fluid. The driver's side goes in the half shaft, and that goes into the axle. So in theory, if I take out the axle, no oil will come out. Therefore, I don't have to drain the transmission fluid. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is hurry and get that other half of the axle out. Since I just realized that I don't really need to take out the passenger side axle, so I don't need to drain the transmission fluid. It's gonna be all easy for me because I don't need to drain the transmission fluid. I'm gonna just go boop 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 and in and out. Yeah, I'll take a small break. Let's get right into it. Whew, it's nice and hot. I got the hat on next to the cherry blossom tree, but so this is the passenger side. I took it all off already. I'm gonna just do it here since I don't need to drain it, and I think it's easier since it's right on jacks here. So I'm gonna head to AutoZone, pick up a new axle, lifetime warranty baby, and then should be done by today if I do everything right. But let's go to AutoZone. All right, so I'm back. I got the boy, homie, the show right here. He's here to help me out / check out what I was doing. Let's go check out his car real quick. That's the boy right there. Air it out. Oh, he got to turn on. But so I left off of me leaving to AutoZone. Oh shit, he remote started it. You have remote start on that?
Yeah.
Oh, like aftermarket?
It is aftermarket. They used to have their own.
Yeah, I need one of those.
Watch this.
Oh shit. Hold up. Oh. Oh. Yeah, that's a hot boy shit. That can never be me. But yeah, so I got back from AutoZone. I grabbed the axle. After that, I came home, and then Jashil came over, and then we just got done doing the rest of the ball joints. And then now we're gonna do the fun part, which is install everything back together. So let's get right to it. Bro, somebody just hit a fender bender.
What the fuck?
Oh no. Oh no, right in front of, oh no. It's a Beamer. Oh no. It's pretty straightforward. You just gotta look at it. Take off your front bumper because there's one underneath. Just gotta put it back in, man. But I'm officially two-tone now. Fuck. Suspension time. Let's go. Yo. Okay, so the car is back down on the ground and everything is done. I completed everything. I drove it for a couple of days, making sure that it was okay before I posted the video, but now it's done. And it's nice and clean because I just washed it. You know we're gonna be back on the road. Thank you guys all for watching and supporting the channel. I got a video coming out about junkyards. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Back on the road, baby. Stay tuned. Catch you guys later next time. See ya.